Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers cheap Ketchikan local and long-distance movers near me. 3 Movers is best known for its professional, complete, and effective services in Ketchikan, Alaska. Our extensive knowledge about the relocation process ensures that your moving experiences are stress-free. Why us? At 3 Movers, we ease the process of accomplishing your dream move. As a result, you can be confident that all your items will be delivered on time. 3 Movers offers a wide array of moving services. They include residential moving, specialty moving, office and commercial moving, container moving, overseas and international moving, reassembly and disassembly of furniture, military moving, crating and packing, auto transport, storage. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.